Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by defining exactly what will appear on one page. First, select the cells and choose Set Print Area so Excel limits output. Once done, switch to Page Layout View to see page breaks and how data flows between pages. Make sure to pick the correct paper size and orientation in Page Setup. These choices directly affect scaling. You're making decisions now so the rest of the steps are precise and predictable. Now you'll force the sheet onto a single page without losing clarity. Open Page Setup and under Scaling pick Fit to 1 page wide by 1 tall. This compresses content to a single sheet. If text becomes cramped, reduce column widths, wrap text, or slightly lower font sizes so readability remains. Use Print Preview to evaluate both layout and legibility, and iterate. Small layout tweaks here prevent wasted paper later, so make sure every header and column fits cleanly. You're ready to finalize and print. Confirm headers, footers, and whether grid lines or print titles are enabled. These affect space and appearance. Print to PDF first so you can inspect the exact single-page result without wasting paper. If the sheet still splits, clear the print area and reselect, or remove manual page breaks under Page Break Preview. These often force extra pages. One key tip: if scaling distorts content, revert to modest column/font adjustments and reapply Fit to 1 page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.